Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something absolutely delicious and comforting on the menu, ramen noodles. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the tantalizing world of ramen, from its humble beginnings to the mouth-watering varieties we know and love today. So, let's dive right in. Ramen, a dish that originated in Japan, has captured the hearts and taste buds of people all around the globe. It's the ultimate comfort food, offering a warm and flavorful bowl of goodness. But did you know that ramen has a rich history dating back to the early 20th century? Back in the day, ramen was a simple street food, sold by food vendors in small stalls. Its origins can be traced to China, where it was brought over by Chinese immigrants. Over time, it evolved into a distinctly Japanese dish, with unique flavors and regional variations. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the noodles. Traditional ramen noodles are made from wheat flour, water, and kansui, a type of alkaline mineral water that gives them their signature texture and yellow hue. The noodles are carefully crafted and cooked to perfection, striking a delicate balance between chewiness and tenderness. But what truly sets ramen apart is the soul-warming broth. It forms the foundation of this dish, infusing it with layers of incredible flavors. There are four main types of ramen broth: shoyu, soy sauce-based; miso, fermented soybean paste-based; shio, salt-based; and tonkotsu, pork bone-based. Each has its own unique characteristics, and they all have one thing in common: a mouth-watering umami taste. Now, let's talk toppings. Ramen is a canvas for an endless array of delectable ingredients. From tender slices of chashu, braised pork, to marinated soft-boiled eggs, from crisp bamboo shoots to delicate seaweed, there's a topping to suit every palate. And don't forget the green onions, which add a fresh and vibrant touch to the bowl. Alright, it's time for the best part: slurping. When you enjoy a bowl of ramen, it's not just about the taste, it's also about the experience. In Japan, it's completely acceptable and even encouraged to slurp your noodles loudly. It's a way to cool them down and enhance the flavors as they mix with the broth. So, go ahead and embrace the slurp. Now, let's take a quick tour of some popular ramen styles. We have Tokyo-style ramen, known for its clear and delicate broth, and the rich and creamy tonkotsu ramen from Hakata. There's also the spicy and robust miso ramen hailing from Sapporo, and the light and refreshing shio ramen often enjoyed in coastal regions. Each style has its own character and regional flair. And there you have it, folks, a tantalizing journey through the world of ramen noodles. Whether you're a seasoned ramen lover or